How to check if someone is using your Instagram account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Rose and I'll walk you on how to check if someone is using your Instagram account. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Instagram app. Sign in to your account. Tap profile at bottom right. Now navigate to three-line icon at top right. From the setting and activity page, tap account center. Look for the option of password and security. Now choose where you are logged in. Tap on your Instagram account and here you see login on other devices. Look through the list of devices and make sure you recognize each one. If you see any devices that you don't recognize or suspect something else might be using, it's a red flag. Simply, to do or remove such devices, tap select devices to log out and simply check mark the particular device. You can even tap on select all and tap on logout button. Tap logout and those suspicious devices will be logged out. So that's all for today. I hope this guide worked. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.